Hello everyone, and I am at Meijer. This is a very nice Meijer, if I do say so myself. Today we're going to be looking for the newest Pokemon card set, Twilight Masquerade, which actually released about a week ago. I forgot to make the video until now, so sorry about that, but it's here. So we're going to do our vlog and unboxing. Hopefully they have it. I thought this was an appropriate time to do this since the set is Twilight Masquerade. We're currently in the Twilight Zone now, as you can see. I mean, that Meijer sign is like completely lighting up the night sky. So we're gonna go and see what we got. Probably gonna buy a booster bundle. I got some cash on me, some Legos. There could be some cards. Epic trumpet part.
Look at this mega mystery box. That is cool.
How much is this? It's $50. 5 booster packs, 1 bonus item, 65 sleeves, 1 mystery item, 1 online.
1 graded card and not a grade.
That's the mystery.
Oh, you get an elite trainer box in it?
Oh, maybe. Comes with 5 packs though. That's weird.
Mystery item, it's probably a rip-off. Yeah.
Oh, the ETB is holographic, but we know...
We don't do
ETBs anymore. We don't do ETBs anymore on this channel because they suck, because the pulls are weighted. Although that is a really cool design. I guess the new ETBs are... Elite Trainer Box are holographic. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, here's some Twilight Masquerade single packs. I don't want to get the Elite Trainer Box. We could get some 3 packs.
Yeah,
we could get some blisters. Yeah, we got some blisters. We got Snorlax. Let's see if we got anybody else. So there's Cyclizar back here. That's Temporal Forces though. Just get a couple of these. These single packs. We'll get 9. How much is that going to be?
Why would you get 9?
16 times.
Should do 2 of those if you're getting that.
2 if we're getting the mystery. All right. They have Iron Leaves EX 10. We could get this 10 in 1 3-pack because this probably comes with Twilight Masquerade. Alright, we returned from Meijer. We made a little bit of different purchasing decisions. It was kind of hard to decide what to get. We finally ended up getting, this is the next day, by the way. I didn't really have enough courage to do it last night. But we got this 10 of Iron Leaves EX. I actually have no idea what packs are going to be coming in at. And then we obviously have the 2 3-packs of Twilight Masquerade. So we're going to do our Twilight Masquerade packs first, see how good or bad this set is. And there might be some Twilight Masquerade in here, but we'll have to see what comes in this. This is probably Temporal Forces. All right, we got a good lighting. This place has a lamp, so that's going to be nice. We're going to start, it really shows off the holographic. We're going to start with this 3-pack. I'm just going to open both of them up. Most of the Scarlet and Violet sets, as you know, I'm not a fan of, so I'm going to not be surprised. Hopefully we get at least something good here. We'll have to see what happens. I don't even really know what's in this set either, so if I pull something good that I don't know is actually that good, I might pull a $500 card, not know it, so who knows. But here's our Snorlax promos. Got a couple of these. I don't know where the other one went. There it is. Snorlax promos. Let's go. We're just going to sit them over there, I guess. Some codes. All right, let's just get started. We're just going to go down the line. This guy, I don't even know his name. He's from the Scarlet and Violet DLC, and I never got that far in my Pokemon career because I don't play Scarlet and Violet because the game sucks, so why would I get the DLC? I don't even know why I'd do that. I don't even know why you would do that because Scarlet and Violet is such a bad game. There you go. All right. Let's see what we got cooking in this pack. We got a Lightning Energy, Electric Energy, Aeron, Sandshrew, okay, Twilight Masquerade here, Chansey, Tangle, Enhanced Hammer. We got a Kilowatt Trail, we got a Glalie. Our reverses are Tangrowth and Snow, 2 commons, and then a regular, holo, Hisui, and Arcanine. Very good. Starting off with a trash pack, not surprised. Here's our next Twilight Masquerade pack. Can we get something besides a holos today? We'll find out, I guess. All right. Our energy was
Under the light,
was
there's a lot of
steel.
shadow. There you go.
We're gonna get more in the light. We got Monferno, Nose Pass, Jinx, Floette, Palafin. I like Palafin. Tatsujiri, Diplin, Sunflora, Okidogi. I've never even seen that Pokemon in my life. Reverse rare, and then a Holo Zapdos. Garbage. I'm not even keeping the reverse rares. They're not even that good, honestly. I mean, that Holo Zapdos looks okay, but like, come on. Not off to a good start here, Twilight Masquerade. Not off to a good start. We're wasting a bunch of money already. I've already lost like 20 bucks probably on this stuff. We got Lairon, Chimchar, Pinsir, Fion, Cramorant, another Tatsujiri, a Frigoraph, a handheld fan, a Flabebe reverse. There we go, Palafin EX. We'll take an EX. We got a regular EX there, Palafin. That's not too bad. Ooh, it glows a lot. All right, we'll stick that off to the side. Everything else in that pack sucks. Ultra rare in this opening. It might be, though. Who knows? All right, Twilight Masquerade. Feels like every time I open these packs, they're always, like, slightly bent, the cards. Like, for some reason, these EXs. All right. I'm not doing the pack trick anymore. Kind of sick of it. Clefairy, Shinx, Poltergeist. I've never even seen that Pokemon. These DLC ones I've never even seen. Varoom, Ogre's Mask Trainer. Jeez, Probopass, Heracross, Reverse Ogre's Mask, Vulpix, and Iron Leaves Future Hollow. I think it's just a regular hollow. I don't think there's anything special about the future one. We'll just say that's normal. All right, next pack. 2 more packs left from these blisters. If we don't get anything else, that's kind of a ripoff. 2 3-pack blisters and 1 EX is all you get, not even a full art. Pretty sad. We got a Ninetales start things off here. I like Ninetales. Trevenant, and a Molga, Frogadier, Swanna, Bellybolt, Snorlax, Reverse Luxio, Reverse Kadabra, and a Holo Frostlass. Are you serious right now? This is garbage. 1 more pack for Twilight Masquerade. If there's nothing in this pack, I'm gonna literally quit. I'm quitting everything right now. Please give me something besides a hollow. We got an Abra, Skarmory, Applin, Snowrunt, Milotic, Ariados, a Kieran, a Reverse Jamming Tower, a Reverse Slugma. There we go. That's what you like to see right there. Terrasilize, Macargo, EX, Full Art. Now that's a freaking beauty. Look at that. Oh my god. Then our Energy with Fire. That's actually in pretty good condition. Except the centering is not too bad either. I mean, it's slightly chipped down there. Man, that's a nice one. All right, we'll take those. So out of the 2 blisters, we got 2 hits out of 2 blisters. So you get like 1 a blister, I guess, for Twilight Masquerade. One of them we just got 1 regular EX and Palafin EX. That's okay. And then the Macargo EX, terrestrialized full art, which is really nice. This was just okay. I prefer Finizen to Palafin, though. I think Palafin, the evolution, is worse. Iron Leaves EX. Oh, we actually got Twilight Masquerade. Oh, we actually got it. Okay. 2 Twilight Masquerades, the Temporal Forces, and 2 Obsidian Flames. Alright, if we can get an all-our Charizard, though, that would be pretty hype. We never know we're going to get into this. Just going to leave it. Think that. This is nice. I like how it. See that? Iron Leaves EX. This is the promo. Good look at that. Taking it out. I thought this was a new product. So since we're doing Twilight Masquerade, we'll start with Twilight Masquerade. We'll just keep the train going, see if we can get anything else. Twilight Masquerade's not terrible. It's not as bad as some of the ones we've had previously. Temporal Forces sucked, from what I remember. We got a Volbeat, Goldeen, Sandygast. I haven't seen these cards yet. Dreepy, Glalie, Kilowattrel, Brute Bonnet, Reverse Feebas, Reverse. Oh, there we go. Art Rare Fion, and another Frostlass Hollow. It's a second Frostlass we got. God, I hate Frostlass. That's a really nice Art Rare, though. Fion. That thing shines like a diamond. Okay, we'll put the art rares off too. Okay, so that's all from Twilight Masquerade so far. We got one art rare. We've gotten 2 hollow Frostlasses though. This is the last Twilight Masquerade pack right here. We've gotten 2 hollow Frostlasses. You love to see Frostlass. There we go. That opened very nicely. Not. We got Vulpix. We got Froakie, Eevee, Phantump, Clefable, Tatsujiri, Frigoraph, Tangela, Reverse Timber, and a hollow Infernape. God dang it. I mean, that doesn't... I kind of like the art on that one, but it's still freaking hollow. No one wants to see that garbage. All right, we're moving on. Let's do the one and only Temporal Forces pack. We got Cobalion on the front. I actually don't know what that guy's name is. It's a different form of Cobalion. Or Cobalion. Temporal Forces is mid, as with most of the Scarlet and Violet sets. It's not the worst set in the world, but it's pretty bad. Ghastly, start things off here. We got Ghastly, Finizen, Dunsparce, Snom, Great Tusk, Salvatore, Bronzong. Oh, geez, we got a hollow, guys. Yay. Dunsparce hollow. A Beheeyem reverse. Freaking Dunsparce. Hey, you gotta love the Dunsparce. Come on, man, that's terrible. All right, Obsidian Flames. If we can get any of the Charizards, we will redeem ourselves, but are we going to? Probably not. All right, this 10's been pretty much a bust so far. I've been opening Obsidian Flames for a while. Obsidian Flames is getting older now. It's like almost a year old now. Let's see what was said in here. All right. Dolliv, Bonsly, Togepi, Cryogonal, Houndstone, Diggersby, Solrock, Reverse Espeon, a Froakie Reverse, and a Scovillain Hollow. God. Rip. All right, we got one more pack. Maybe. One more pack. Dragonite, Terrestrialize. If we don't get anything out of this pack, that 10 sucked, because all we got out of that 10 so far was this. But I think there's going to be Old Art Charizard in here, and the day will be saved. That would be freaking insane if we actually pull this. Oh, yeah, I already didn't open that well. All right, here we go, guys. It's all coming down to this last pack here. Starting off with a Pidgey. Okay. Fungus, Larvesta, Finizen, Kangaskhan, Camerupt, Lapras, there you go, a Zarina reverse, a Townstar reverse. Are you freaking serious right now? Oh, God. Toxtricity hollow, man, that 10. Wasted 30 bucks on that 10. Here's all I got, 30 bucks. This card's probably worth $4 or less. No, it's probably worth $2. Here's our only good pulls of the day. We got Macargo EX. Now we got the promo as well. The Iron Leaves EX, which is fine, but that's guaranteed. It's probably not worth much of anything. Scarlet and Violet number 128 promo. Best pull was probably this full art Macargo. But not too terrible, but like I said, I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm in Springfield, Illinois right now. I just checked out Abraham Lincoln's grave, so I'm going to release that video probably tomorrow, whenever the day after this one comes out is. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys next time. Do not buy Twilight Masquerade. Although Twilight Masquerade, it doesn't rank as bad. It's Paradox, Rift, Paldean Fates, and Temporal Forces. But it's pretty bad. I don't like Scarlet and Violet. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Wang.